Hello everyone, this is the Auxiliary Vision Project, our team's submission for StormHacks 2022. To start off with a question, what if we were able to provide an accessible educational tool for those who are visually impaired?
We were inspired by the accessibility theme and people with low or no vision at all. So we decided to create an app to help them in their daily life. The user takes a photo with the desired functions in the app, and the app pronounces objects and text from the image or text. Moreover, it is possible to upload PDF documents for reading out loud.
The technologies we used included Python, Flask, Google Vision API, Google Text-to-Speech API, and PDF to JPEG for library for file conversion on the back end. On the front end, we used React Native to build the app.
Our goal was to connect backend and front end via Flask API. However, that was a huge challenge because we lack experience with Flask and servers. Our next steps with the project include adding voice commands, which would make it easier to use the app, adding a machine learning model that summarizes the contents in the uploaded educational documents, and adding a note-taking feature using voice. We hope to continue working on our project and get working properly outside the hackathon.
Onwards to the demonstration of the backend we'll start with. So pretty much the backend holds all the processing files in vision processing and the text-to-speech processing under the text processing. So pretty much we would want the client to give us a request and an image, and based on the request, we'll run one of the following batch files, either PDF to generate a PDF, PDF to generate a sound file from a PDF, object to tell you the objects from the image, and label to tell you all the text in the image. So pretty much start with how our program will see all the objects in an image. We take Google Cloud Vision API, and then we have a class of functions here. And in it, we use the object localization function from Google, and we create a string of objects that are all in a photo. And then we save it to a text.json that is saved in the media folder under JSON, which both the front end and the back end should have access to this media folder. Yes. And then so when that function ran, it'll produce text.json, which is then text-to-speech will find text.json, and then it'll create an MP3 file out of it, which will be for the end user on the app side. So to see that in action, if I run PDF, here's the default PDF for reference. So if I go now to StormHacks, Media, Sounds, here's the speech output. Now, could try to play it for you, though I'm not sure if the sound would turn on. So I'll just leave that for now. I'll move on to showing the demonstration of the front end, which is the app portion. So. And as I mentioned before, since I'm sharing my general screen, I'm not sure if the sound would come. So here's just a video of the app.